Trabaho, nag-legion mo.
We have 1 hour to 30, 1 to 2 hours break and bumalik kami dito sa bahay ni Ma'am Ivy. Thank you so much, Ma'am Ivy, to prep for our wedding. Okay, everybody, so we're good to go. Papunta na kami sa wedding. And ang damit ko ay sa Ilocano pa ang sasaragasag, guys. Doon, may idea ka na kung hanggang saan na yung cut natin. So we have to go na. Okay, so hindi kami pwedeng ma-late kasi dapat early. Let's go, guys. Okay, that's Tagum Global Medical Center. We are going to VJ Auditorium. That's the Robinsons. Okay, perfect. That's our venue. The V, with the V, with the J, with the R. Di ba nakapulbo ka? Alam nyo ba na ito yung pinakaunang chance namin? Hindi, yung isa sana. Ito yung pinakauna naming pagkakataong maka-gig dito sa Tagum. Dumaan na kami before when we went to GovGen for a wedding. But this time is talagang nagstay kami dito because of this double event. Wow! Ibang klase ang Tagum. Napaka-peaceful. And atake lang talaga. Perfect lang talaga lahat. And
Tubot sa binyag kanina, ma'am, isa rin dito.
Ay, siya din?
Oo.
Perfect talaga siya. So,
Perfect.
paldo kaming dalawa. Nakita ka niya, kuya?
Oo.
Nagtaka siya. Anong ginagawa ni Host Cherry dito? So, ewan ko. Hindi, meron ako brown na suot na Angel knows about it. It's like dark brown. It's like dark brown. And we are about to go down. The team's just doing their job. They're coordinating kasi yan naman talaga yung purpose nila. Hindi kami pwedeng mag-start lang kung wala kaming alam or baka about the couple. Tignan mo yan. Tignan mo, lalapit yan. Ate, wag ka magdalawang isip. Ituloy mo yan, ate. Pastor Edwin V. Badana, Mr. J. Mar C. Datiles, Mr. Fredivel Farol, Pastor Richard Santonia, Mr. Joey Alvarez, Mr. Larry Cagurin, Mr. Ricky Salonga.
Bal mo sa link. Ma'am video yan, ma'am video. Ay, guys. Yes. Beautiful Tacomanias. Got the power, you just need to let it show. Are you ready?